Hello YouTube, Newsreel here. I'm just doing a bit of maintenance on my laptop, but I just want to show you something. What I'll do, I'll just get a bit of cardboard and draw it all out, and where the holes are, because all different length screws. And in the past, I'll do this with engines. If I'm going to strip an engine, motorbike engine, to pieces, I'll do the same thing. Just a bit of cardboard. There's nothing worse than a margarine tub full of nuts and bolts when you come to the end and you forget where things go. It's murder. You help yourselves. Try this. No matter how complicated the project, whatever it is you're stripping down, this will help you immensely. Yeah, but well, I don't know what's happened with the laptop. It's either the power screen started to fuck about a bit. I did these memory chips. I've got a 1000 gig hard drive here, and the old one, which was here's the new one. Will that focus? Yeah, 1000 gig, and the old one was I can't even read it now. 60 gig. It had two of them in it. I've had this laptop maybe 10 years now. Toshiba Cosmio. I've replaced the screen. There's a few years ago, a couple of years back, rather than buy another laptop. Is it a Cosmio G20 108? No, it wasn't a bad machine. The hard drive, not the hard drive, the floppy drive. It was a Matsushita. That went within about a year and a bit, year and a half, with very little use. But at the moment, I don't know now. The screen started flickering. I've just had a little strip down looking for loose connections or if there was anything managed to get in there, like a loose screw, or I'm going to make sure all the earth, little copper earth things are done up properly, and well, wish me luck. If this doesn't happen, I'll take it to the proper menders. Anyway, YouTube, that's it for now. Yeah, the cardboard method, putting things in, it's an old method and it works perfect. You can leave a project and come back to it and you're halfway there, which says a little bit more about the amount of projects I've got. So but anyhow, it is useful, and see you later then. Alright, bye.